Hi, and welcome to this video. We're going to discuss bleeding gums. Bleeding gums are a very unpleasant sensation to wake up to in the morning. It's not only foul, but it's also a hallmark of gum disease. Bleeding gums will be maybe painless for you, but you can't afford to ignore it because if bleeding gums are ignored, it will progress and then it will result in inflammation eating away at the bone underlying your gums. And what will happen with this? You will end up losing your bone, having shaky teeth, and may even lose your teeth at an early age. So, never ignore bleeding gums. Now, what is the cause of bleeding? It's inflammation, of course, and the inflammation is caused by nothing but plaque and tartar building up, especially at your gum margin. How do you get rid of this? You make sure that you get toothbrushing right, as discussed in our previous video. And besides this, you also need to use an interdental floss or brush depending on the situation, which we will cover as well. Could there be any other reason for bleeding? Yes. If you have a deficiency of vitamins such as vitamin D or vitamin C in your diet, it can enhance bleeding and inflammation. Besides this, if there are increased levels of hormones in your body, as in case of teenagers during puberty, in case of females during their menstrual period, in pregnant women, as well as in women taking oral contraceptives, the bleeding could be aggravated due to these. Or bleeding could even be not related so much to plaque but also due to some underlying bleeding problem, like a problem in your blood cells or platelets, and this could be more serious. So remember, with bleeding gums, never ignore bleeding gums. Make sure to get your toothbrushing right, and not only get it right, if you have bleeding gums, you mustn't be scared to brush thinking that the brushing is aggravating your bleeding. In fact, you must brush even more thoroughly with ample pressure so that you can reduce the plaque in your mouth, and this will eventually lead to your bleeding reducing and your gums healing. Also, visit your dentist so that your dentist can help you remove tartar and other hard deposits which you can't remove on your own, and also rule out any other underlying cause of bleeding which may be affecting you. So good luck for great gums.